Okay, we've got a job over in Widnes this morning, just about morning. Lounge carpet to do. It's in a pretty bad way. We're going to nip inside and have a little look at it and see what we can do. Okay, you can see in front of the couches what he's doing. You can see. Okay, so it really needs doing. We're going to see what we can do with this. It's in a bad way. Okay, so we'll get on. Okay, so this part has been CRB'd using that machine, and that part hasn't. So as you can clearly see already, that side we have, this side we haven't. We're going to do this little bit now. See all the hair flicking out from the bottom. It's particularly bad on this one. A lot of work required. But we're going to finish using the CRB now, and then we're going to rinse it using the green wand. We'll go back to you shortly. See that two-tone there. Okay, so we're going to do the rest of the carpet now, and we'll be back to you shortly. Okay, we've finished this carpet now. It's come up lovely. And there you go.
Does she not realise what she said in the past?
Carpet has come up absolutely mint.
No.
Remember what it was like before? Yeah. Okay, clearly see that was worth doing. If you'd like to get us in, send us a picture over of what you've got along with your postcode, and we'll get back to you with the price straight away. Have a good day, everyone. Bye bye.